Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can use our business intelligence module for your accounting team or to check the overview of your accounts. So let us go to our business intelligence module first. On your left hand side, you will see business intelligence module. Please click on this. Now, once you will go in business intelligence module, you will see that sales order, sales invoice, purchase, quotation accounts and inventory. So let us start with the sales invoice. So click on sales invoice. Now, this particular segment provides you the entire invoice structure, or I may say that exactly invoice data in the graphical representation and in the pie chart representation. That exactly how many invoices have been raised, how much amount have been raised. You can very well go ahead and see that total invoice value or month on month growth rate was exactly in how much percentage. Reason wise, you can go ahead and check customer wise, product wise, pie chart is available. That exactly in which customer maximum invoices have been raised or in which reason maximum invoices have been raised. You can very well go ahead and select the time frame as per your requirement, last 6 months, or we do have custom dates feature as well, which you can use to see the report or the graph as per your requirement. Now, this was the entire around the sales invoice. As once the sales invoice will be created, then after each and everything will be displayed here. Now, let us come to the our account segment, because once you will create the sales invoice, then after comes the receivable and payable segment. So let us click on account segment. Now, here is the accounts segment where you get all your payables, receivable, or in 6 months how much you have paid, or in 6 months how much have been received. In the very top, you will see cards which will provide you a display that how many receipts are overdue, how many receipts will be due in 7 days, payments overdue, payments due in 7 days. So these cards will be very much helpful to you in order to check where to focus more for the payment. So you can very well go ahead and click on view details, and it will provide you the report where you can go ahead and check that through which customer how much money is coming, and where you need to go ahead and take a follow up, or your accounts team need to take a follow up. Now, going below, you will see there is a bar representation around the entire receivable and payable. You can very well go ahead and see that exactly how much was expected and how much came. Now here, the payable wise or receivable wise, you do get a pie chart which will be helpful for you in order to go ahead and check your account summary. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while checking the account summary and to know where to focus in terms of accounting. Have a good day ahead.